So how was the market, Guillaume?
Fantastic.
Time to go to a market. We are in Taroudant. It's a small city, very touristic. A particular of this market is the selling of animals. Kurde.
There's a lot of bear. It's funny just to see.
Wow. Very pleased. It's so small. Where's Guillaume?
I couldn't find the perfect bear. I couldn't find the perfect bear, so I don't buy it.
They're selling dogs there? Selling dogs? Yeah. Vegetable market. You go in the middle? Careful, careful. Keep it fresh. Why? Ah, yeah. Oh, it's a lot, huh? Ah,
We ate them. Say that we ate them anyway.
yeah, it was good. Yeah.
I'm looking for the little apricot.
Ah, maybe it's not the season for the apricot.
This peach. No, some nectarine.
You want some nectarina? They sell biscuit in the box, man.
There's an exhibit.
Ah,
See the coriander, Mama. My mom, she was right to say,
coriander.
why bother? Why bother to... Looking for apricots.
So we live in vegetables, and that this was vegetable area.
Yeah.
It was not fruit. Except the banana and the melon. Oh yeah, there was fruit, yeah. Okay, here is
Yeah,
clothes and shit. Clothes and shit. No, why, you know?
Why?
You know where to go? Moroccan people are famous to fix everything. What are you doing here? You try to buy some short? You're looking for pants? You don't have enough? Die, Guillaume. Before they come to sell.
You need to find something first to buy.
No, you don't have to buy. Already the skin that you bought yesterday? 3 skins, I don't know for what. You give to your mom. Huh?
I give one to my mom, one to your mom.
No, my mom doesn't want it. My mom doesn't want it. You keep. No, my mom, no. She will not want it. She doesn't want it.
My dad will love it.
Yeah? They're selling plugs, connector, everything. Hello. The head is so big. Alright, let's go, Dai, let's go. Okay, I think it's done the market, huh? So how was the market, Guillaume?
Fantastic.
Wow.
The market reminded me the market in my hometown, but in 10 times smaller, where they're selling everything. But you can find a market like that in France.
Really?
Yeah, but I think you can find more unusual thing here. Antique. Something like 40 years ago.
That's the exit of the camping. No, I don't think so. Ah, yes.
Is the one in front of us.
We're going left here.